With Small Business Saturday fast approaching, you'll want to get some marketing housekeeping done sooner rather than later. The first thing you should do to make sure your business can get found by shoppers on Small Business Saturday is to update your online listings. BizIQ is a stickler on the accuracy of your profiles in popular directories like Google My Business, Facebook, and Yelp to make sure that you show up for relevant searches. Your Google My Business listing is of the utmost importance here, so you should take the time to optimize your GMB listing. It's worth it because 86%, and that's almost all people, do rely on the internet to find local businesses. This will be even more important for a day like Small Business Saturday when local consumers want to find you and purchase your unique products and services. The lasting effects of a solid GMB listing will reap rewards well beyond SBS. Here is the minimum of what you should be checking. First, check that your business name is correct and consistent on all your listings. Something as simple as the word "and" instead of an ampersand can make a big difference. Second, ensure your business address is correct. Great if they can find you online, but if that address is wrong, they can't find you in person. Third, be sure your phone number is accurate. Fourth, if you have a website and a public email address, make sure those are present on your listing as well. Lastly, check that your business hours are updated. This is important if you have special holiday hours. If you're having trouble with any of your listings, you can reach out to us for assistance. We want to make sure that you are reaping the full benefits of what Small Business Saturday can do for you. Also, make sure to check out our social media pages for more tips and tricks on how to prepare for SBS. The links are in the description below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.